In this lecture, you will learn about elements of building and their functions. Then you will watch a video about methodology of their construction, and at the end you can download how construction activities are planned step by step in Pakistan. Let's start. First of all, excavation is done after marking, and it is done as per drawing. Then compaction and lean is done. Lean is also called PCC. It's a plain cement concrete with ratios of 1:4:8, which is cement, sand and crush or aggregate respectively. Its function is to provide a level surface on which building will be built. Then at the third stage, steel and concrete of foundation is done. Then steel and concrete for plinth beam will be executed. Columns will be installed by steel and concrete, and beams and slab of roof will be installed. Now we will go through one by one about 3, 4, 5 and 6 steps functions. Foundation. Function of foundation is to take full load of building and transfer it to earth. The function of plinth beam is to prevent the extension or propagation of cracks from the foundation into the wall above when the foundation suffers from settlement. The function of a column is to transmit weight of the structure above to below through compression, and it is a structural element. The function of beam and slab is to create a flat and useful surface such as floors, roofs and ceiling. The beam supports the slab. The beam takes the load of slab, transfer it to column, column transfer it to foundation, and foundation transfer it to earth. Then when the structural work or grey structure is completed, then brick or block walls are constructed, doors and windows are constructed, flooring is done. Now we will go through one by one about each one of them. Wall is a structural element which is used to divide or enclose, and in building to form a periphery of a room or a building. Window is to serve one or more of the functions like natural light, natural ventilation and vision. And door is to serve as a connecting link between the internal parts and to allow free movement to the outside of the building. Floor is throughout its lifetime. It should safely support the load placed on it, together with its own weight of the people using the building, plus their belongings such as furniture, equipment or machinery. Then the construction will complete only and only if finishing works are completed. The main types of finishing work include facing, plastering, flooring, painting, wallpaper, glazing, woodwork, electrical, external finishing, glass, landscape, marble, stair and wallpaper. There is a lot of more things like plumbing works, like water sewerage, water supply works. Now I will tell you about process of residential construction in Pakistan and Indian market. The contractors take grey structure work. Then finishing works are also available. Labor rate is also available. On labor rate, contractors take work with material, means labor and with material, and having some percentage on it. They take grey structure and finishing works, and they also take turnkey projects, which are like companies who are registered companies with Pakistan Engineering Council in different categories. They take turnkey projects. What they do design, they do architectural work, they do interior design work, they do construction, they do material procurement, and they hand off the building. Means in summary, they start to end, they do everything under one roof. To know more about details of residential construction in Pakistan, you can visit my website www.3bconstruction.com.pk. I, your instructor Rahman Rashid, also owns a construction company in Pakistan. Please, from resources, download construction process in Pakistan. Step by step, I have given every single thing in detail. Now, you will watch method of construction of those elements which you just have learned. Watch with focus.